let's fast forward to now with instruments and things like that. How has your tribe, your church, the SDA, been able to sort of take you in terms of that? Do they still see you as you're in line with original?
I don't want to lie to you. I think that I need to sit up straight.
For that one, he needs to sit. Yes, did I say? Okay. Anyway, yes, you were saying.
I think that I've really found so much support from the church.
Okay.
With music, with that is instruments. We have actually seen the proliferation of churches now that lead worship now with instruments. I know if you go to Highland Church in particular now, they actually have a band.
Wow.
Yes. I've seen that. I mean, but what we have also seen is with traveling, is that I mean in the States, but also in the UK, in Birmingham, the other church. There was in the church there was actually a whole band set up. But what I have also noticed, Yvonne, I'll be very honest, is that not to really downplay people's views. There are others who are really really have strong views against it, who think Everton manje, you know, aninga kurasa chiSabata. I don't want to you know, I do not think that their views are entirely bad. They are their views. I mean, that's how they view it.